everyone, I'm Bhakti Verma from the Bodhi Journal and welcome to our channel. I would love to share some of the snippets that we took during the journaling workshop. It's such a fun and therapeutic activity. Do take a look and hope you'll enjoy the video.
A goal of traveling, I think the goals should chase me.
Yes.
So that's why I've written that.
So it just almost screams me. I love yellow, so it has a lot of yellow, and each part of the
all of this is what I think of whenever I'm writing. So I've chosen quotes from Wuthering Heights over here.
So that is about it. We hope to bring journaling to more and more people, and we really want to grow the community. So we'll be coming to as many cities as possible in India, and do let us know where do we come next in the comments below. Would love to hear. Take care and keep creating.